y'all got anything on your mind or anything you want to ask me about? Y'all are home folks. All right.
I do, actually. I've lived here in the first district all my life, and you mentioned taxes, and I'm kind of concerned, you know. And so I was wondering, when I'm talking to John Doe out here, I need to know what to tell him. So it's a simple yes or no. Did you sign the tax protection pledge?
Yes.
And did you, in any legislation, attempt to increase income tax or
No.
hospital tax or all these things that they're saying?
People that are telling you that are getting their information straight from the Democrat National Committee. They're shooting this stuff out. Democrat National Committee said, Nunnelee voted to raise income taxes. I got the bill they referenced. I took it to my lawyers. I said, I want you to look in here and tell me where the tax increase is. My lawyers looked at it. They said, that's not a tax increase. That's a tax cut. I said, well, it's obvious the Democrats don't know a tax cut when they see one. And but what's frightening, now it's not just Democrats saying that. There are Republicans that are repeating that. And that ought to be a shame. I signed a taxpayer protection pledge, and there's a specific clause in there that says it is consistent for tax reform. And so they're citing a hospital assessment that was already on the books. It was a simple situation. Let's say there's 10 houses on a street, and 4 of those houses are paying $2,500 each in property tax. 6 of those houses are paying 0. And we walked in, we said, that's not fair. We want to have every house on the street pay $1,000 in property tax. The total tax didn't increase. We changed who had to pay it to make sure everybody paid it. The third one was the tobacco tax. I did vote to raise the tobacco tax. And we used that to offset car tags, because car tags were going to double in this state. And anybody that's had to pay for a car tag understands how serious that problem is in Mississippi. And many of those that have been critical of that don't know what it's like to pay for expensive car tags in Mississippi. So I have honored that taxpayer protection pledge. I've signed it and will honor it in Washington.